the dock at Southampton, trying to get to Holland or France. The man in the Mac said, you've got to go back. You know they didn't even give us a chance. Christ, you know, and it isn't. You know how hard it can be. That when things are going, they're gonna crucify me. Finally made the plane into Paris, honeymooning down by the Seine. Peter Brown got to say, you can make it okay. You can get married in Gibraltar in Spain. Christ, you know, and it isn't. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. Go from Paris to the Amsterdam Hilton, talking in your bed for a week. Then if people say what you doing in bed, I said we're only trying to get us some peace. Christ, you know, and it is it. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. Saving up your money for a rainy day, giving all your clothes to charity. Last night your wife said, oh boy, when you're dead, you don't take nothing when you buy your soul. Dang! Made a line and trip to Vienna, eating chocolate cake in a bag. Then Newton said, she's gone to his head. They look just like the gurus in drag. Christ, you know it isn't. You know how hard it can be. The way things are going, they're gonna crucify me. Got the early plane back to London, 50 acres tied in a sack. The man from the press said, we wish you success. It's good to have the both of your back. Christ, you know